Okay, geometric series and sigma notation. So if you remember, we did this with the arithmetic series, and we said if you've got a linear function of some sort, without overthinking it, and you're summing, then this will give you an arithmetic series. To get a geometric series, if you think about the nth term, it's a times r to the power n minus 1. So you essentially have a number times a number to a power, and that will give you a geometric series. So anything in that form, I don't know how else to say that. So e.g., you could be looking at the sum, just mix up the notation a little bit, from t equals 1 to 10 of 2 times 7 over 4 to the power t. So that will give you a geometric progression. So a number times a number to the power. So anything in the form x times y to the power t. This one's come out of like the letters we use for geometric series in there. And then to find that sum, you could just write out a couple of terms if you want to. So when t equals 1, so that's the first term, then you get 2 times 7 over 4, which is 14 over 4, which is 7 over 2. So A is equal to 7 over 2. And then if you think about the second term, so you're doing 2 times 7 over 4 squared. So to get from the first term to the second term, you're timesing by 7 over 4. And then the third term will be 2 times 7 over 4 cubed. So then you're timesing by another 7 over 4. So R in this case is equal to 7 over 4. And then if you're going from t equals 1 to 10, you're finding the sum of the first 10 terms. So it's A, lots of 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. And then you're going to have to bear with me, but you can then put that into a calculator. So I want 7 over 2, lots of 1 minus, lots of brackets with this, 7 over 4 to the power of 10, close brackets all over, and you can literally just chuck that into a calculator carefully. It's a fatal error for getting the wrong answer when you're a maths teacher. Right, I'm pretty sure it's 1252.5. So hopefully that's self-explanatory. What I'll do is I'll write some questions up on a board with some answers. Oh no, you can have some book questions from there, and then I'll give you a mixture of arithmetic and geometric ones to do.